When I did promise a view or a walkthrough of my model tool kit that I brought off eBay some time ago, mainly last year. I never actually got around to showing it off because it's just the basic set. So first up, we have a container for small parts, mainly for screws and such. Like all your screws, parts that like your rubber parts and such. I'm just gonna get the nippers here, which I've actually have shown off. Case does open. Nice 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 compartments. All rubber stuff. My nippers. Use safety glasses. Yeah, that's for copper wire. These aren't going to be used for copper wire. No copper wire. We don't like copper wire. We don't like using it. Here's another little box that I've actually managed to put my X-Acto knife, which also comes with extra blades. So yeah, I have used an X-Acto knife before, but I've not taken this out of the plastic yet, nor do I plan on using these yet. One of the files, which I've actually used because my walking stick got a little banged up, so file came out and fixed it. So now I'm not getting little cuts and sprays. So we also have another filing knife of some sort. As you can see, I may have to get a new one also because, yeah, well, that. I do have these files. I have no idea what they're called. I do know what they're used for because this is mainly for filing out holes. This is for, I think, hard to reach places because it's a diamond side. Oh, that's a rectangle. No, triangle. It is a triangle file. This is just a normal file. I do have the screwdriver. It is a star head. This is a star head screwdriver, which is normal. Normal tweezers. Some scissors. They don't cut. They're just mainly for other stuff. You have seen me use these before in the Mini-Pla video. I mainly use these for the stickers. So you've actually seen these in action. I do have another Mini-Pla set on its way. Nice little splutcher of some sort. I have no idea what's it for. It just came with the set. I should also put the stuff back in the container. From these because I will need these. I mean, I can fit these in, but it's going to be hard pressed, but yeah, they fit. Now I have a rotering tool here. You're probably wondering, why do I have a rotering tool? It's battery operated. Don't tell me the spring's gone. I think the spring has gone. I'm not entirely sure. There we go. yes, I do have. Yes, it does work. Now I have a buffer here. This was I think this is a grinding / edging. This is a buffer because of the way it feels. I think this is a grinding tip one. Not entirely sure because I have not used these before. Small tip white, and I have a I do have a pointed one that's actually for sharpening stuff, but they're in that little case. So yeah, I was right, it was the battery, not the battery, the spring. So I'm setting that aside. I'm going to put that plastic ring back on. So that's my little rotoring tool. What else do I have in here? It's well, you've seen these before. That's the plunger and metal ruler. If the camera will focus, there we go. So 20 centimeter long metal ruler, all within a box. And this is we got the file, with ridges, buff, polish and shine. I've actually used one of these before. These are kind of like your beauty thing, so these actually come in handy for Gundams and such. So yeah, I may have to try and find more of these, because by the time I finish with one, it's like, for a Gundam kit, this is very, very much useless from then on, because you're constantly filing stuff down, you're constantly removing ridges, you're buffing the parts so that they're smooth, and then you're polishing the stuff like the chrome, or well, the fake chrome and such, to get it nice and shiny. So you've virtually just gone through a whole one of these within a Gundam kit. I'm just going to put everything back in. And yes, I am using a shoebox because I don't have an actual box to put these in. So I can have like my grinding tool and stuff and such in its own spot. So that's my model kit. My model tool kit, I should say. And yes, it is in a shoebox because of the way it is. I am looking at getting a tackle box, a fishing tackle box from somewhere, to actually convert into a model tool kit so that I actually can have a bit more tools to work with when I do save up for a higher end Gundam that would probably take me the months of Saturdays and Sundays and a few weekdays as well. Or if I save up for a Zoid model kit to actually build. So yeah. Look at all that glorious modeling kits. I picked all this up on eBay. Apart from the splodges, these I picked up on eBay as well, but the rest I picked up as a full kit on eBay. And I'm actually quite glad I did, because I can't even find the same model kit. I'm going to say this is probably the basic model kit to actually get, model tool kit that you can get on eBay, because everything else is like over 160 bucks Australian. Which leads me to another thing. See this? This is actually made in China. Made in China. So you know what that means? You're going to be paying an extra 25 cents just for that. Percent extra. Not cents. 25% extra. So just be careful if you're in America, because Donald Trump's terrorist effects are going to be kicking in soon. And it's like, oh, well, there goes your new PlayStation, your new console, your new Xbox, your new Nintendo Switch, your new TV, your new PC, and everything else, including PC parts like motherboards and such, because they are made in China as well. So yeah, the screwdriver, if I need to take the back of this off and the front of my Nintendo 3DS to put a new cover on, I can. That's what that screwdriver is for. And if I need to get to the micro SD card in my 3DS so I can swap it out for a brand new one, all I gotta do is just transfer the data to somewhere and I'm done. So yeah. Thank you for joining me on a look at my model toolkit. I keep saying model kit. Model kit's mainly a Gundam or Mini-Pla, in my opinion, because the Mini-Pla actually has points of articulation as does a Gundam kit in most points or parts. But yeah. Hopefully I get to use this a lot more with Gundam model kits and few Zoid model kits as well. Though I am actually going to have to sell a number of items, and I'm looking at my pop vinyl collection. Yeah, I'm getting out of pop vinyls. The only ones I'll keep would probably be my 4 Phantoms, which includes the Australian 50 Years limited edition. Probably my Alien Maleficent with the Green Flames, my Stan Lee, which I have kept. My 90-year Mickey, Ash, without Yankovic, probably the Alien Queen, the Megazord. Yeah, that'll be about all I keep from my pop vinyl collection. But look on eBay for these, because you can probably find them on eBay. It's like, yes, this was meant to actually come with a box as well, one of those clear carry case boxes, but it didn't. I'm not fussed. I mean, I'm reusing a shoebox here with bubble wrap, of all things. So yeah, have a look on eBay. Just have a look on eBay for these, for it all. Apart from the batteries, which you'll have to supply yourself for the grinding tool, which you heard going in the video, with and without the tools, or with and without one of them. I would have showed you how it worked, but I'm not going to damage this shoebox because it's actually holding my stuff in it. So I'm going to go off and hunt a bargain online. I shall catch you all next video. So do take care. That's my phone, that's a message. I was like, I better check my phone. Message came through. That's something entirely different. Yeah, just Dominoes. What was I gonna say? Take care of yourselves and such. Like, make sure you're doing what you need to do and everything else. Because I'm looking at doing a course next year, so I don't know how I'm going to be doing videos, but I may be able to get myself some Raspberry Pis to actually build I'll mainly mess around with one of them to have fun. The other one I may probably do something I'm not going to be telling. No, I'm not going to be telling anything on that one. Because if I did, I'd be in big trouble for ruining the surprise I'm doing with one of those Raspberry Pis. Yes, you heard, a surprise. So I'm going to have a look around for a few things on eBay and at a few computer stores in Australia and see what they have. But like I said, I'm off to hunt a bargain. I'll see you all next time. If you're into Gundams, like building them and the Zoid model kits, have a look on eBay for a model tool kit. This only took 2 weeks just to get to me. I'm happy with that. It's like, if you're looking at getting a Gundam in 2 weeks, buy this first, then the Gundam. So that, yes, you have this, then you can go get the Gundam. Or Zoid. So I know that at Amagar, there's Gundam Australia. They actually have model kits for sale and such, and there's a few other stores at Animagar as well, so I'm gonna try and probably hit up Animagar after a show or something that's during one part of school holidays. So, like I said, I'll see you all next video. I'm off to hunt a bargain. Take care of yourselves. And don't do anything I wouldn't do. Trust me when I say that. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.